Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome to the fold down tail lifter tutorial for our trucks. A lot of our trucks on our fleet will have this fold down tail lifter, and what I mean by that is it's a tail lifter that physically attaches to the back of the truck and folds down by hand. To get this down, most of them will have handles on the outside. Some of them will have a singular handle in the middle, or one singular handle on the left or right. The basic premise of it is though, you just need to undo the handles in whatever way they are. On this one, they're just on the outsides here, and the same on this side. To get the lifter down on all of the fold down lifters, you do need to just pull it down by hand. Be careful because they are quite heavy. Bring it down like so. To operate the tail lifter, there is buttons on the passenger side or the left hand side of the vehicle. And those buttons are simply just down and up. Easy as that. Now, once the tail lifter is down, you're going to have this flap here. To lift it up, it'll often have a bit of seat belt or something, or strap on the end that you can just pull it up with. And now you're in the back of the truck. While we're in the back of the truck, often you'll find controls as well on the inside for up and down. Please only use these if you're stood on the lift or inside the truck. Do not move this outside the truck, else you may smush it into the lifter and do some damage. There is a couple of reasons why your tail lifter may not work. And while we're here at the back, the main one we come across is this safety bar. This safety bar here, if this is flicked up at all, it'll mean that your tail lifter will no longer work. This is designed so you don't trap your foot in between the back of the truck and the lifter. So just make sure this is pushed down, give it a push down if it's not working. The other reason it will not work is because of the kill switch inside the cab, which will be overlaid on screen now. Now sometimes these are in different places. They are often on the right hand side of the steering wheel, the left hand side of the steering wheel, or they're underneath the radio in the center console. Do give us a ring if you're not sure where that kill switch is. Putting them away is very straightforward. Just make sure that you fold down the flap first. Once the flap's down, the tail lifter will not go up any higher than it physically can go up. Once it's there, you just do the opposite to put it away. Lift it up, make sure you lift with your knees because they are quite heavy. And then make sure you fasten the handles on either side. It is worth noting that these tail lifters can take a maximum of about 500 kilos. If you are trying to lift anything above 500 kilos, you will need to give us a call to get one of our specialized tail lifters that can handle more than 500 kilo. And as with anything, if you're not sure on the operation of these vehicles, give us a call before you operate them.